Welcome to our PE class.
Physical fitness.
Content standards. The learner demonstrates understanding of participation and assessment of physical activities and physical fitness. What are the physical activities that you do every day to make your muscles strong and your body fit? Are you always active and on the move? Check out the paragraph below to find it out. Do your parents complain about how active and hyper you are? Do you hear them say para kang kitty kitty or wriggler pekit ikit? Well, that's normal for healthy and growing kids like you. Moving around and playing are part of growing up. Physical activities make your bones and muscles strong and your mind active. A little of jumping, kicking, running, jogging, skipping, and dimming with your friends outdoors every day can help boost your body's defense against sickness. Aside from that, you use up excess fats in your body when you move more, thus making your body fit. So, keep on moving to shape up your body. What is physical activity pyramid? The physical activity pyramid is a drawing of the list of different kinds physical activities for children to engage into for them to develop a lifelong healthy habit. Being active while you are still young can help you attain good health and fitness. There are many wonderful ways for you to be physically active every day. Doing routinely various physical activities like running, jogging, biking, and walking help promote your wellness and fitness. The physical activity pyramid is divided into 4 groups. Look at the drawing below. 4 different types of activities in the physical activity pyramid. Group 1 activities are found in the bottom part of the pyramid. These are moderate activities you can do every day, like washing the dishes, setting the table, fixing your bed, playing with your pet at home or with your classmates and friends in school during recess, walking, or stairs. They are activities that increase your heartbeat a little bit. Group 2 is made up of strong activities. Physical activities like playing basketball and other ball games, bike racing, jumping rope, swimming, exploring around the playground, and many more vigorous activities. These activities make your heart beats fast. Group 3 consists activities that exercise your body muscles for fitness. Examples of these include climbing, push-ups, curl-ups, and other flexibility activities. Dancing and martial arts also belong to this group. Group 4 is at the topmost part of the pyramid. It consists of activities that you should do rarely, if not at all. These activities include watching TV, playing computer or video games, or playing with your electronic gadgets. Doing nothing or lazing in your sofa for more than 30 minutes also belong to this group. Assessing your regular participation in physical activities. How is your participation in physical activities? How often or frequent do you participate in physical activities? Before measuring your participation, think and list the physical activities you do every day or any time of the day. Then compare them to the physical activities found in the physical activity pyramid. List also the activities you do that still need improvements. Present and discuss your findings with your classmates in class. What is fitness? Fitness is when you perform a daily task without getting tired and still avenue the energy to enjoy other activities. Physical fitness has 2 components, health-related and skill-related, which both work hand in hand for your total well-being. What are skill-related and health-related components? Skill-related components are factors that form the basis for successful activity participation. The following are skill-related components: speed, lighting, balance, coordination, reaction time,
doing crazy dreaming.
components are factors that show how well the systems your body work. The following are the health-related components: cardio-respiratory, body composition, flexibility, muscular strength, and muscular endurance. Search and read online articles about different physical activities that children like you can do to improve your physical fitness. With the guidance of your parent or guardian or search and watch videos Colini about games, physical activities, and exercises that are good for kids. Like you, choose one in each activity and perform them with your classmates or friends.
Ito yung mga bata po na kumain kanina sa ating feeding program. So, meron po tayong na-cater na 100 children po sa feeding program. At maraming salamat po sa mga nag-sponsor po. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. At huwag kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. At sa mga gusto po mag-sponsor para po tuloy-tuloy po ang ating feeding program po, just comment below po at gagawin natin yan. At pwede, kung possible pa, is magiging weekly po ang feeding program natin dito sa aming barangay. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching!